Welcome back to Laser Focus Solutions, folks. Episode, I think, 42, maybe 43. Um, just going to give a quick update on where we are this week. It is Tuesday evening, and we are progressing on the deck build. Should be finalizing that this week. We're starting a drywall job that I was waiting for permits to come through. They came through. HVAC contractor is starting tomorrow morning, so I'm going to meet him out on the site, make sure he's good to go, and then I'm going to follow up with the client and discuss, when we can step in and do our part and what that's going to look like. Also, finishing up a 2-day project that kind of bled over into tomorrow due to some paint matching issues. The client's paint was no longer any good. So I stayed a little late this evening, went ahead and got that thing painted out. It was basically a move out. Client asked us to go around and clean up all the nail holes and different areas of the home. So went around, did all that. So we'll be buttoning up that tomorrow, mid-morning. So again, deck job. I got a board coming in. I was one Trex deck board short, solid edge. So I needed to order a 16-foot board that'll be in tomorrow. So that'll get that thing, again, moving along and wrapping up here this week. And then we're going to move on to a repeat client that wants us to start the third phase of some remodeling in her house. So we're going to go ahead and continue on in the master bedroom area where we're going to patch some damaged drywall. And then get it prepped up for paint and get it painted out. So that'll be a couple-day project, all said and done. So went ahead and did a couple estimates today and got a verbal for one, and we're just going to continue to keep doing what we do. So if you have a desire to own a business or own a home repair business, this video is coming at you at 10:20, so I'm a little low on energy, but at the same time, I made a commitment to do a video a day for 90 days straight. Once that's complete, I'll probably drop back to 2 a week, maybe 1 a week, get a little more quality into it. But for now, we're just going to keep logging away and keep sending these updates. So appreciate all the love and support. Thank you everyone for all the birthday love that I received over the last couple of days. It's still trickling in. All you belated birthday people out there, I love you. You know who you are. I think it's cool. But with that, I'm going to end, and we'll do it again tomorrow. All right. Thanks. Peace.